try a few simple emergency plumbing hacks before calling a plumber when your toilet clogs unexpectedly. Start by adding a generous squirt of dish soap into the bowl and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to lubricate trapped waste. Then follow with a bucket of hot but not boiling water poured from about waist height to create pressure that can dislodge the clog. If that does not work, pour 1 cup of baking soda followed by 1 cup of white vinegar into the bowl. Allow the fizzing reaction to work for 15 to 20 minutes, then top up with hot water and wait another 5 minutes before trying the flush. For mechanical action, take a wire coat hanger, straighten it, leaving a small hook at the end. Wrap the hook with a rag to avoid scratching porcelain, and gently push and twist to break up or pull out obstructing material while wearing gloves and eye protection. Avoid using chemical drain cleaners because they can damage pipes and create hazardous fumes, especially in small bathrooms. If you have a plunger, create a tight seal over the drain and use vigorous, controlled thrusts for 20 to 30 seconds, then pull sharply to break suction and test the flow. If multiple attempts fail or water keeps rising, stop and call for professional help to prevent overflow and sewer backflow. The most common mistakes are using boiling water, which can crack older porcelain or plastic components, so always use hot but not boiling water and pour steadily from a height to add pressure rather than thermal shock. Another frequent issue is over-reliance on chemical drain cleaners, which can corrode plumbing joints and harm septic systems, so avoid them and use mechanical or natural methods first. A third problem is pushing objects further into the trap while probing blindly. If you cannot see or retrieve the obstruction easily, do not force tools deeper and call a professional to avoid damaging the trap or causing a costly repair. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical home repair guidance related to issues like clogged toilets. On our site, we host a discussion community where we and other users exchange tips, ask questions, and post real experiences so homeowners and contractors can find each other and learn from one another.